Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In tonight's video, we're going to be discussing Hemp Inc., ticker symbol HEMP, also known as Hemp Daddy Hemp on the channel. If you follow along and you're subscribed, you know what we're talking about. So guys, it's your reader. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. Hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know when we release new content. So guys, we're going to go over two articles from this week regarding Hemp Inc. We're going to break down the charts, and I'm going to tell you my plan moving forward for this upcoming week. So it says Hemp Inc. reports Colorado Hemp Agro Industrial Zone HAIZ spotlights hemp-based building materials. That says with the recent disclosure of Western Sierra Resource Corp's intent to purchase a 44-acre multi-use property in Hemp Agro Industrial Zone or Northwest Colorado, Hemp Inc. sees the opportunity for all stakeholders in the hemp industry. According to the news release, Western Sierra Resource Corp has signed a definite agreement with Global Hemp Group and plans to attract and showcase industrial hemp and related green carbon neutral negative building technologies to the world. Beginning this year, approximately 30 acres of the HAIZ will be seeded with up to 5 different strains of the initial hemp cultivation test. The focus will be on the environmentally friendly construction materials, nano-fertilizers, and enhanced extraction from hemp. The site is expected to utilize the showcase hemp-based building materials, as many green economy technologies as possible in order to attract and support green community stakeholders and government and industry support and partnerships. The hemp industry in North Carolina is steadily expanding through the efforts of companies like these and Industrial Hemp Manufacturing LLC, a wholly owned subsidiary of Hemp Inc. Hemp Inc. has more than 10 years of experience growing and processing hemp, including the operation of the largest industrial multipurpose hemp processing facility in North America. Big news right there, fellows and ladies. So that's one article. I want to share the other one with you now. Okay, this is another one off of Yahoo Finance. This is from Thursday, May the 13th. It says Hemp Inc. continues as a leading vendor in expanding global hemp industry. I'm actually going to go to the study that they talk about in here, so I'm not going to too much to the article. I just want to come down here. It says some of the areas closely examined in this 195-page study includes, and I just want to kind of go over the top one here, market penetration by key players, including Hemp Inc. And basically in this study, it's showing that from 2020 to 2025, that the hemp industry, industrial hemp industry specifically, is going to see substantial growth, okay, over the next several years. And Hemp Inc. is starting to become a name, like it's already one that you're going to kind of be familiar with, because the name of the company is Hemp Inc. But they keep coming up as like a player in the hemp industry, okay? It keeps coming up in these articles. So let's go ahead and look at the 195-page study link, and it's just going to give us like a brief summary of kind of what they went through, but I want to show you the amount of growth that they're expecting over the next year. So this is the global industrial hemp market forecast. Okay, you see here 2020. Look at 2025 they're projecting, guys. This is crazy. Okay, that is what, 4x, more than 4x the amount of what they're projecting in 2020. So that's crazy. Featured companies, and in this study, you see some of these here. Eco Fiber, I've actually heard of that. That one keeps coming up as well. And Hemp Inc. Those are the two main ones that I keep seeing coming up. But that's pretty awesome that they're mentioned again as being a key player moving forward in the hemp industry. So I'm excited about this, guys. I have a strong conviction on this particular stock. I plan on buying more next week, and this is for sure a longer term hold, right? I don't think, obviously overnight it's not going to shoot up to $1 or anything. It's going to take, some time, but dating back from last year to this year, I mean, we were almost at zero. Now we're at 1 cent. So there's, in my opinion, it could move and get closer to $1. I don't know if it will in this year or not, but you never know. I mean, it's not impossible. Okay, but over the next couple of years, no doubt. I mean, that's why I'm trying to buy as much as I can and then just hold. And then once it hits, my price target, then that's going to be fantastic. So let's take a look at the charts, guys, see what they're telling us, and I'll give you my plans moving forward. All right, guys, so here is Hemp, H-E-M-P, and we are getting closer and closer to getting right back to where we started, basically at the very bottom of the fib level, which in my opinion is perfectly okay with me, because that's where I'll load pretty heavy right here and just wait. Okay, we are still trading in basically a downtrend. We broke that SMA line and we're still coming down here. We are somewhat undervalued right now for this particular time frame. So if you're going to get in, it wouldn't be a bad time to go and do a dip buy, right? So currently sitting at under 1 penny. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be buying more this week, just to kind of add more to my position, because it is lower than my average cost. So I want to go ahead and average down if I have that opportunity. So currently right now, guys, I have 54,000 shares of Hemp Inc. And I'm not sure exactly how much I'll get now, but just to kind of give you some perspective on how much you can get with this particular stock at these prices, and just to kind of show you, you don't have to throw like a crazy amount of money in to get some shares. And then like I said, if it ever hits 50 cents, $1, then that's a very, very big payday. But never put in more than what you're willing to lose, right? So let's just give you an example. Let's say you want to do $100, and remember that you're going to have a $6.95 fee on TD Ameritrade to purchase the stock. So let's say you put in $106.95, and then the $6.95 was the fee to purchase this stock, because it's an OTC stock, and you get in at these current prices. $100 will give you almost 14,000 shares. And man, let's say one day it pops up to, let's just say 25 cents. Out of that $100, you profited over 3,400. So that's amazing. So I'm going to get in, maybe get another 5,000-6,000 shares, and get up to 60,000. And then as it stays down this level, if it stays around here, or for some reason keeps kind of going lower, I don't know if it'll go lower than what it is now, but I'll just kind of keep averaging down. And again, I'm not throwing an insane amount of money in it. I'm basically just kind of nibbling at it here and there, adding to my position. If you remember, if you follow the channel, I did take profits here. Okay, I made over 100%. Yeah, actually over 100% on my investment originally, and I took that money that I originally invested plus the profits, and I bought back down here about the 1 cent mark. Okay, and then I bought some more shares whenever we got the third stimulus check, I believe. So appreciate you, Uncle Joe, for giving me some more money, and I put it in hemp. Not all of it, just a little bit. Okay, just a couple $100 to up my shares. So this one here, guys, just remember, this is a long-term play. Okay, not something that's going to happen overnight. This is a riskier play. All right, because there's always a chance. I mean, this thing can go to zero. It's an OTC stock, right? I don't think it will, because I have such a strong conviction on this thing. I know there's a lot of good things going for the hemp industry as a whole, and for this company, and they have a lot of good things going on. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, make sure that you do, so that way you can keep up with this stock and other plays that we talk about on the channel. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.